I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to uninstall and remove apps on your macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the Finder on your iMac or MacBook. Step 2. Click Applications on the left side of the menu. You'll see all of the applications currently installed on your Mac device. Step 3. Find the specific application you want to remove. In this example, I want to remove Microsoft Word. Step 4. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, click the application you want to remove to open a menu, and then click Move to Trash. A window pops up asking if you want to move this application to the trash. Step 5. Supply the necessary input, such as your computer password. That specific application will be moved to the trash. Step 6. Find the trash can icon on your Mac dock. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click the trash can icon to open a menu. Click Empty Trash in this menu. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to empty the trash. Click Empty Trash. The trash can will be emptied, and any applications you've moved into the trash can will be uninstalled and deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.